trailer is working, right? So this is my little contraption. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Alishan Moher. Welcome to another video of DIY homemade mini electric boat build video series, which possibly is going to be the biggest RC boat I have ever built. Now, today's tasks are very simple, so let's go over with what I'm going to do today. Starting with the simple task is to add this camera mount, so I can add action cameras, Insta360 camera mount, or any other action cameras that I can put on this one. Then the next big task today is to this one I got this very cheap from the local portal, and I need to turn this into a mini trailer that I can pull the boat with, motorcycle, bicycle, or electric scooter, or electric skateboard, you name it. Using this, I can easily pull the boat and go to the river, which is not very far. And then, yes, all my 3D printed parts are ready for motor installation. And I want to start with one motor, of course, see how much power I can get with one motor. If not enough power, then I will go with two motors. So this right here is my motor mount, like semi motor mount, which will be fit with these clamps right here, motor clamps. They actually fit very well and very strong. I've also glued the motor so that double safety, the motor will not fall off. And then we have these brackets. Tube will be on this, okay, 2 screws going all the way in, so it will lock the fiberglass tube on this, and then the brackets will go on this, and brackets will fit on this piece, okay, which will be eventually right there on the boat backside. And then I have these locks, and then I have these locks that will lock this shaft, this tube, onto these brackets so that it will not go down. And then I have these rudder arms, which will be on top in the end to turn the motor angle left and right, for which I'm thinking to go with this King Max servo. It's a CL2511S, I believe, and it's a high-speed digital high-voltage servo, very powerful. Puts out 15 kilograms of torque, and I think that's more than enough to turn this single motor using this shaft. This will be more than enough. So at the moment, as we speak, a 3D printed mount for this servo is being printed in my house, and once it's ready, I'll bring it down. So these are the tasks today. Let's get to work, get this baby ready, because I really want to put it in water and have some fun with it. fuck? That's nice, man. So this is my little contraption. Little DIY homemade trailer for my boat, which is also a homemade boat. Probably the biggest RC boat, and I'm going to pull it with my little electric scooter. Okay, installing the steering was easy. It's right here. Okay, it works. And down there's a pulley. Now I have to install these mini pulleys that I have 3D printed. Okay, in different places. The string will go all the way back and move this rudder arm. My only worry is if the 3D printed motor mount and everything will actually hold or not. We're gonna find out today. Alright, so this is our steering. Come on, check this out. These two cables are coming here, not cables. This is actually wool. I couldn't find nicer string, but as we have to test it, so I'm just gonna go with the string. Now look at the steering there. So left and right hands are okay. They're gonna work. Now I need to just center the steering. I also need to make sure that these connectors are first connected in the right way so that motor spins in the right direction, and then waterproof these connectors. So why this is not okay? This is on, this is off. Now I need to make sure to plus minus follow it really nicely, and we are just going to test with 4S motor. So here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm connecting it. Okay, now let's see. Okay, this is in the wrong direction, so let's just come here. Let's just swap one of these cables to this side and one this side. Okay, now we can test again. Ready? Nice. Awesome. Everything works. So now let me waterproof these by putting on some silicone and heat shrink, and then we can take it to the water for testing. You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right there.